The wait is over, and the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating has finally arrived. The entire pack is here. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer brimming with excitement, there's something undeniably thrilling about seeing every piece of the puzzle come together in perfect harmony. This is more than just a collection. It's a celebration of unity, completeness, and boundless possibilities. From the first glimpse to the last detail, each element of the pack has been meticulously crafted to ensure an unforgettable experience. Now, everything you've been looking forward to is within your grasp, and it's ready to amaze. Picture this: a suite of features, tools, or companions all designed to work seamlessly together, creating a cohesive and transformative experience. No more searching for missing parts or trying to make do with incomplete setups. With everything now at your fingertips, the possibilities are limitless. This isn't just about convenience. It's about empowerment, inspiration, and unlocking the full potential of what's possible. Whether it's a comprehensive software suite, a game changer in your hobby, or a collection of long-awaited items, having the complete pack elevates everything to a whole new level. What makes this moment even more special is the effort and creativity poured into assembling this pack. Each piece serves a purpose, contributing to the overall vision and enhancing the value of the whole. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and dedication. The process of bringing everything together wasn't just about ticking boxes. It was about delivering an experience that exceeds expectations. And now, as the final piece clicks into place, it's clear that the result is nothing short of spectacular. But what's next? With the entire pack finally here, it's time to dive in and explore all it has to offer. Take a moment to savor the excitement, then unleash your creativity, curiosity, and enthusiasm. This is your opportunity to make the most of everything that's been carefully prepared for you. Share the excitement with friends, showcase your discoveries, and let the joy of having the full set inspire you to new heights. After all, when everything comes together, the potential for greatness is boundless. So whether you're here for the thrill, the functionality, or the sheer joy of experiencing something whole and complete, one thing is certain: this is a moment worth celebrating. The entire pack is here, and with it comes the promise of endless excitement, new adventures, and a future brimming with possibility. Let the celebrations begin, and welcome to a world where everything you need is right here. Right now, the excitement is palpable as we unveil something truly remarkable. The entire pack is finally here. Imagine the thrill of having everything you need gathered in one place, designed to bring convenience, joy, and endless possibilities. Whether you're talking about a comprehensive collection of tools, a long-anticipated reunion, or the ultimate bundle of goodies, the arrival of the complete pack signifies a moment of unity and celebration. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, the beauty of completeness, and the satisfaction of knowing that nothing has been left out. The entire pack represents a carefully curated masterpiece, where every piece plays a pivotal role, creating a symphony of harmony and functionality. With the full team assembled, the opportunities are boundless, the potential limitless, and the anticipation worth every moment of waiting. Now is the time to dive in, explore, and revel in the magic of having it all, because the entire pack is here and the possibilities are endless.